Huge shout out to all Chevrolet for allowing me to review the 2020 Chevy Trax. Today we're reviewing the 2020 Chevy Trax. This particular model wrapped in a metallic black. For the length 167 inches, height 66 inches. You have a wheelbase of 100 inches with a ground clearance of 6 inches. Right here we are looking at a 1.4 liter turbocharged EcoTech 4-cylinder pushing out 137 at 4,000 RPM. For the torque, 148 at 19,000 RPM. For the MPG highway, 31, city, 29. Here's the sound of it. Right here we're looking at a 16-inch aluminum wheel wrapped around all season Continentals. This particular model have remote start. Now we are making our way inside of the vehicle. We are greeted with black leather seats. Right here we're looking at an analog gauge. On the left you have your gas gauge, on the right you have a 5-inch LCD screen. Now we're bringing it back to your standard steering wheel control. You have your cruise control setting with your Bluetooth and volume button. Looking down on the door panel you have your one-touch window control with your standard unlock and lock with mirror control. This particular model have your engine start stop button. Right here we're looking at a 7-inch touchscreen display with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay running the latest My Chevy link. With your backup camera. You have your traditional radio shortcuts. Beneath the radio control you have your traction control and hazard lights. You have your climate control. This have an air filtration system that keep the cabin air clean. You have your 2 USB aux with your 12-volt outlet. You have your shift knob. This particular model is a 6-speed automatic transmission. You have your cup holder area. Right here is your glove box. We done made our way up to your interior lighting. On the rear view mirror you have your 4G LTE network OnStar with your SOS Safety Connect. Now we're making our way to the back of the vehicle. We're greeted with black leather seats. You have your one-touch window control with a 120 volt outlet. Now we're making our way to the cargo area, measuring at 18.7 cubic feet with seat area measuring at 48.4 cubic feet. Wow, this is pretty spacious.
Once again, huge shout out to all Chevrolet for allowing me to review the 2020 Chevy Trax. If you need any information about all Chevrolet, I'll leave a link in the description below. Good people, proud your channel, like, subscribe. I look forward to seeing you next video.